Lord Parshuram or Parshuram is the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu in a Dashvatara order. Vishnu plays the role of protector and sustainer of the world in Hindu Dharma. For this role, he has taken many avatars. His 10 incarnations are well known in Hindu Dharma. Lord Parshuram is a Brahman, a sage, and a well-known warrior. According to Puranas, Parshuram is one of the Chiranjeevis, the immortal ones. He was born in the Treta Yuga, and it is believed he will appear again in the Kali Yuga to guide the 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu, Kalki. Since his childhood, he has been a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Pleased with Parshuram's devotion, Lord Shiva himself educated him and offered an astra called Parshu. That's how he got the name Parshuram. Story of Parshuram Avatar. It was prophesied that the birth of Parshuram will be when the earth is buried by evil. He was born in a Brahman family, which belongs to the Bhrigu lineage. His father was sage Jamdagni, and his mother was a Kshatriya princess, Renuka Mahar. Based on Devi Bhagavata Puranas chapter 6, Lord Parshuram was born from the thigh with a blazing light that blinds all evil warriors. All those warriors promised to live a moral life if their eyesight were restored, which the baby Parshuram accepted. Another story of Lord Parshuram's birth, as mentioned in Vishnu Purans chapter 4, writes, once Richika Rishi prepared two meals. One was ordinary, and another was special, and whoever ate this special dish would conceive a child, which Renuka Devi ate and gave birth to Parshuram. In another story based on Vayu Purana, Lord Parshuram came to this earth after his mother Renuka consumed an offering given to Shiva and Vishnu. As a result, Parshuram gained the qualities of both gods. Purpose of Parshuram Avatar. The ultimate purpose of Lord Vishnu's sixth avatar, Parshuram, was to free the earth from sinful Kshatriya kings. Rishi Jamdagni had a wish-fulfilling cow Surbhi, the daughter of Kamadhenu. Once a king called Kartavirya Arjuna, who Lord Dattatreya blessed to have 1,000 hands, got his eye on Surbhi. But the rishi refused to give him. However, the king forcefully took the cow and destroyed Rishi's ashram. When Parshuram returned and saw the plight of the ashram and heard the kidnapped news of Surbhi, Lord, in anger, held his axe and went to kill Sahasrabahu Arjuna. The children of King Kartavirya murdered the Jamdagni Rishi as retaliation. When Bhagwan Parshuram learned about his death, he took an oath to vanish all the sons of Kartavirya, which he succeeded. However, his thirst for revenge did not quench because of anger and sorrow. Thus, he kept killing the sinful Kshatriyas kings of the earth 21 times. Lord Parshuram in Ramayana. Lord Parshuram gave the Shiva Dhanush to the king of Mithila, Janak, the father of Devi Sita, to check the worthiness of Devi Sita's husband. Then, he went to Mahendragiri mountain for penance. Everyone failed to lift the Shiva Dhanush during Sita's Swayamvar. But Lord Rama was not only able to lift the bow but also able to string the bow. He broke the bow in half since he was Vishnu's seventh avatar. The sound of broken Shiva Dhanush, Pinaka, also broke the penance of Lord Parshuram, which made him furious. While Lord Rama, Devi Sita, and his family were ready to return to Ayodhya, Parshuram arrived at Janaka's palace and blocked the way. Parshuram challenged Rama to lift and string the Sharanga, God Vishnu's bow. Lord Rama quickly lifted and strung the Sharanga bow, making Parshuram realize they were incarnations of the same being. Finally, he gifted the Sharanga bow to Lord Rama and left for penance again. Lord Parshuram in Mahabharata. Lord Parshuram plays a vital role in Mahabharata. He was the guru of Bhishma, Drona, Rukmi, and Karna. He taught them war skills and provided them with all the knowledge of divine celestial weapons like Brahmastra, Vaishnavastra, Pashuptastra, and many more. He sound of broken Shiva Dhanush, Pinaka, also broke the penance of Lord Parshuram, which made him furious. While Lord Rama, Devi Sita, and his family were ready to return to Ayodhya, Parshuram arrived at Janaka's palace and blocked the way. Conflicts with Lord Ganesh. According to Brahmanda Purana, After killing Kartavirya Arjun, Parshuram went to Mount Kailash to visit Lord Shiva to thank and obtain blessings. But Ganesha blocked him on the way as Mahadev was resting, and no one could meet him at this moment. However, Parshuram got furious and challenged Ganesha to a battle. When Parshuram knew Ganesha was defeating him, he immediately threw his axe at Ganesha. But on the other hand, Ganesha took that weapon on his left tusk as the weapon was given to Parshuram by Mahadev himself. From that day, Lord Ganesha was called Ekdanta. Kalki Purana. As per Kalki Purana, Lord Parshuram will reappear as the teacher of God Vishnu's 10th avatar, Kalki. He will teach Kalki all the concepts of dharma, karma, wisdom and war. Moreover, he would advise Kalki to do severe penance to please Lord Shiva, his guru. Finally, Kalki will appear on earth on a celestial white horse, the avatar of Garuda, to end Kali Yuga and begin Satya Yuga. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.